Hey everyone, this is Harish Dalal. Welcome to our channel CodeChef. The problem today we'll be solving is total expenses, which is from practice section. It is a simple problem. The problem code for which is FLOW009. Before we get actually started, here is a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. So the problem states that given two inputs, the quantity and the price of each item, the quantity to buy and the price of each item, we have to calculate the total expense. But there is a condition: if the quantity is greater than 1000, then we will be getting 10% discount on total expense. So first of all, calculating the total expense will be the quantity multiplied by price, and if quantity is greater than 1000, it is mentioned that it should be strictly more than 1000. So it should be greater than 1000. Then what we can do is we have to subtract 10% of total expense from it. So 10% of total expense will be 10 divided by 100 into total expense. So this will be the 10% of total expense, and we have to subtract this quantity from total expense. So it will become total expense, and the total expense will become total expense minus this quantity, and the quantity is, we can make this term 0.1, so it will become total expense multiplied by 0.1. We have to subtract this quantity from total expense, and we will get our final answer in the total expense. So before moving to the code, you can pause the video and try it yourself on the CodeChef and come back later to check the solution. So here is the code. First of all, taking the t test cases as the input. For each test case, we will be given two variables, two inputs, quantity and price. To store the total price, I have declared a variable which is a double, because we have to subtract 10% and which is in double format. So for total price, quantity is multiplied by price. If the condition is quantity is greater than 1000, then we have to subtract 10% of our total price. We will be getting a 10% discount on our total price. So subtracting the 10% of total price from the final total price. Now before printing out the total price, setting the precision is important here, as the output required is in decimal format. By writing the fixed keyword, we are denoting that even if the total price is a whole number, we still need to output our total price in decimal formats. So let's submit it. Okay. And yeah, we got a correct answer. So yeah, that's it from my side. If you are interested in competitive programming and want to learn and master data structures and algorithms, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You can also stay updated via our Telegram group. The link is in the description box. Also feel free to suggest what problem should we picking up next. I will see you in the next one.